Welcome to the design guide for the new HTML landing page template. This is a very simple template in its concept. Basically, if we preview the ad unit here, it's basically just one image that you're uploading as a designer. You can configure the image to look however you want. Obviously, the goal here is to be a simple sort of one section or one page landing area for advertisers typically that don't have a landing page or a website or need something specific for a particular campaign outside of what might normally be there on their website. So obviously, as a designer, you can configure this to look however you want. I happen to build an image with 3 different boxes. You could have one big box. Obviously, it's completely up to you. The other thing to note here is if you want to then link from this page to other URLs, you can configure this to have up to 10 different click-throughs. Sometimes you're not going to put in any because this will be the final destination. But in the instance that you want to link from here to any other areas, you could make, this main box clickable, this one clickable, this one clickable, and configure it just like you do with all of our other templates. So again, we'll jump over here to Photoshop, and just to reiterate, this is an image of your choice. You can make it any height and width. You could add boxes in here like this, take them out. Again, this is completely up to you in terms of design and layout. Once you have that image configured, go ahead and save it and upload it to your ad here. Container can be any size you like, JPEG, PNG, GIF, or SWF. We will accept SWF for this ad unit. As always, if you're using an SWF, make sure you put in a failover image because those SWF files will not play on iPad, iPhone, or other non-flash compatible devices. So just make sure you have a backup image if you're using an SWF here. If not, you can just leave this alone. Colors, again, this is just a test mode for your hit area. You can make that any color you like. You'll see here in click-throughs, you can have up to 10 different click-throughs configured. Again, you might not use any, you might use multiple. And then finally here for your custom settings, this is basically setting 1 and 2 or your container width and height. Make sure you configure that, and then you'll upload your image that corresponds to that height and width. And then just following that are your different custom hit areas, starting with custom hit area 1, activate yes or no, make it whatever height and width you want, whatever horizontal and vertical offset you like. Same thing with custom hit area 2, height, width, horizontal, vertical offset. Custom hit area 3, all the way down the line, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then as always at the bottom, we can turn on testing mode. And so for this example here, I've made the entire background one big hit area. So that would be hit area 1. And then I made a hit area 2 to live on top of this box and a hit area 3. And remember, your hit areas are always stacked. So hit area 1 is at the bottom. Hit area 2 is going to be stacked on top of that. Hit area 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 being the highest. 10 would always live on top of all the other hit areas. So that's basically it for this unit. As always, if you have questions, call us at 866-467-2289.